The Tesla phone is coming. But what does that really mean? How will it shake up the smartphone industry? And most importantly, is this the iPhone killer we've been waiting for? Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about the rumored Tesla phone, its game-changing features, and why Apple and Samsung should be worried. 1. Why Tesla is entering the smartphone market. Tesla has always been a company that pushes boundaries. From revolutionizing the car industry with electric vehicles to launching reusable rockets, Elon Musk and his team have never shied away from disrupting major industries. So why smartphones? And why now? Right now, Apple and Samsung dominate the smartphone market. But there's one thing missing: true innovation. Tesla isn't just another smartphone manufacturer. If Elon Musk is behind this, we can expect something completely different, something that challenges the status quo. 2. Leaked features and speculated technologies. So, what makes the Tesla phone special? Let's take a look at the biggest rumors and leaked features that could set it apart from anything else on the market. Starlink connectivity, the phone that works everywhere. One of the most exciting rumors is that the Tesla phone will have built-in Starlink connectivity. Imagine never losing signal again, whether you're in the middle of a desert, deep in the mountains, or even in the ocean. This could be a game changer for global communication. Solar charging, a phone that powers itself. Tesla is already a leader in solar technology, so it makes perfect sense to integrate it into a smartphone. No more searching for outlets, just leave your phone in the sunlight and it charges itself. This could be revolutionary for people constantly on the go. Neuralink integration, the first brain-powered phone. Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, is developing a brain chip interface that could allow humans to control devices with their minds. Could the Tesla phone be the first smartphone to integrate this technology? Imagine answering calls, sending messages, or even browsing the web just by thinking about it. Tesla OS, a new operating system? Right now, the smartphone world is split between iPhones and Androids. But Tesla doesn't play by the rules. Could they introduce a completely new operating system, one that seamlessly integrates with Tesla cars, Starlink, and even AI assistants? Ultra-secure privacy features. With growing concerns about privacy, Tesla might prioritize security with end-to-end encryption, decentralized storage, and even AI-driven security monitoring. Given Elon Musk's vocal stance on free speech and digital rights, this could be a major selling point. 3. How Tesla's phone could disrupt the industry. Now, let's talk competition. Can the Tesla phone really take on Apple and Samsung? Here's how it might stand out. 1. Integration with Tesla vehicles. If you own a Tesla car, this phone could become your ultimate control center. Lock and unlock your car, adjust climate settings, and even summon your vehicle all from your Tesla phone. Imagine never needing a key fob again. 2. AI-powered voice assistant. Siri and Google Assistant are useful, but what if Tesla's AI assistant is smarter, more intuitive, and seamlessly connected to your home, car, and digital life? Think of it as an upgraded version of Siri, but with Tesla-level intelligence. 3. Disrupting traditional carriers. Most smartphones rely on network providers like Verizon and AT&T. But with Starlink, Tesla could bypass these carriers entirely, offering a direct-to-user internet service that works worldwide. No contracts, no hidden fees, just unlimited global connectivity. 4. The challenges Tesla faces. Of course, launching a new smartphone isn't easy. Even Tesla, with all its success, faces some major challenges. Competition from Apple and Samsung. Apple and Samsung have decades of experience in the smartphone industry. Competing with them won't be easy, especially since millions of users are already locked into their ecosystems. Building a new app ecosystem. If Tesla launches its own operating system, it needs apps. but developers are already committed to iOS and Android. Can Tesla convince them to create apps for a brand new platform? 3. Manufacturing and supply chain issues. Smartphone production is one of the most complex manufacturing processes. With global chip shortages and supply chain disruptions, can Tesla scale production fast enough to meet demand? 5. Release date and final thoughts. Now the big question, when will the Tesla phone be released? So far, Tesla has kept everything secret, but industry experts predict we could see an announcement as early as next year. Some reports suggest it could launch alongside Tesla's next big event, possibly even as a surprise reveal. But will it actually happen? That's the mystery. What do you think? One thing's for sure, if Tesla enters the smartphone industry, it won't be with an ordinary device. Whether it's Starlink connectivity, Neuralink integration, or solar charging, this phone could be unlike anything we've ever seen. But the real question is, would you buy a Tesla phone?